Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result with 1 year post-op with before and after photo by Dr. Diep. This patient had over 3,000 hair graft for over 2 years period, and he's very thin. He had one procedure done before too, but it's very thin, and now it's a full set of hair, very dense and natural. This before and this is afterward. Right side view, left side view. He's around a class 4-5 hair loss pattern, and you can see from the eyebrow to the hairline is around 7 centimeters. And the more narrow the face, the more arched back the hairline is. The more round the face, the more flat the hairline is. The angle starts around 35-45 in the front, increases when you go backward, and changes when you go different direction. For more information, you can go to my website at www.mhtaclinic.com or call 1-866-999-6482, or you can go to my YouTube channel, JG Diep. There's over 2,000 videos. This is what it looked like before, before and afterward. Right side view, left side view.